It gives me security. I'm waiting for the ghetto to secure me. I just put away 30% for my taxes, 20 for the feds, the rest under my mattress. I gave my wallet a Botox injection. A bunch of rude boys in your section. Trying to get my tax bracket and erection. A 70s entity, girl, look at my complexion.